Which automatic pool cleaner is right for you? A suction cleaner uses your pool pump's natural suction to suck up debris like a vacuum. The skimmer basket catches large debris, while small debris goes straight to your pool's filter. Suction cleaners scrub the bottom of your pool and are generally the most affordable option. A pressure cleaner uses the water pressure created by your pool's pump and filter to lift up large debris. But instead of going to your pool filter, the debris goes into an attached bag. Some pressure cleaners work off return lines, and some work with existing booster pumps. They're durable and low maintenance. A robotic cleaner is popular for a lot of reasons. It doesn't use your pool pump and filter at all. It comes with its own motor to create suction power. It's the best option for cleaning both small and large debris, and it can scrub tiles, walls, and some stairs. Since it's self-contained, it's energy efficient. You just plug the low-voltage transformer into an outlet. Need help picking the perfect cleaner? Pinch a Penny offers all the best brands of automated pool cleaners in every category. So ask your local Pinch a Penny pool expert to help you find the automatic pool cleaner that's right for you.